to the roof? Because didn't it say the roof's accessible? So is that like an extra floor?
So we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes.
So it's 6.
We assume it as floor. Yeah, we can have 6, including this ground level. So we can have 6 here, and the spacing in x direction is 5 meter, and in y direction is 5 meter, in z direction is 3.2. So if your x direction is not 5 meter,
what about the 2.7 one?
No, that's once you've added the floor.
That's just clear height of the walls. That's something else. The floor height are 3.2. If in your case, for example, this is 5 meter, this is 7 meter, you can, but here you just have one value. You put something here, for example 5, and then you modify it later.
The first floor, from ground to first floor is 2.7.
No, it's 3.2.
So this is your grid, okay?
Oh yeah.
And as I said, if you have got different dimensions, for example 5 and 7, then you right click on here, edit grid data. So you have got ABC. Let's make it like this: A, B, C, and 1, 2, 3. So if, for example, this is 7 meter in your model, then you need to modify this to 7. You change this 5 to 7 here by just clicking on this. Yes. And then 3 will be 12. So if your dimension is 10 by 12, and this side is 12 for you, so 1, 2 is 7 meters, so we change it 7, and 2, 3 is 5 meters, so this dimension is 12. Okay?
Then 2, 3 will be 5, then 1 to 2 is 7, then 2 to 3 is 5.
Don't ask the question now, I want so the next step is to model the columns and beams. So first you define material. So you assume this default material here, you can modify it later if you want. So you can add, for example, new material, steel, different types of steel you can use. Steel in Europe here. Steel in Euro S355, for example. And then you need to define section properties. So in section properties, frame sections, you import new property, you import I sections. So here you go to VS shapes, and you choose preliminary sections here, for example, these and these for beams, and these for columns. These are just preliminary, but I don't know if they are reasonable now or not. You check it if they are reasonable, okay? So, then you go to load patterns. You have got dead load, which is permanent load. already here, and
Says when
include
support
self
of
weight
2
here.
Ps.
So you don't need to include self
Super
weight
nice.
when you are
Seriously.
doing your hand calculation. Self weight
Where
are
starts with 1?
your beams and columns. Okay. So yeah, ignore the self weight of beams
It's kind of on
and
top of
columns
this.
when you are doing your calculation because you have them here. Okay. And you need to have live load or variable load as well. So live load here, you choose live, and the self weight is 0, and you add it here. So you have like dead load and live load, or permanent load and variable load here. Okay? Okay, now you start defining your elements. Here it shows XY plan, and here if you see this blue line, it shows where we are. We are in the ground level, so we don't have any element. We go to first floor by this arrow on top. Okay? And then we choose this line here to define our beams, our main beams. So these are straight frames, and in this table, from the elements that we have chosen for primary beams, for example, we choose this one, and we are pinned, so we choose pinned here. Now we simply click. And when we want to release, we just right click, and again we start here, right click, start here, and right click. So these are our primary beams. So these beams and these beams. Then we need to define these beams as well. So what we do.
Those are not taken as primary as well.
This one is a primary.
The elevator and the stairs.
Primary beams are mainly this one. You can call anything you want. So now we want to define these beams, these adjacent beams, for example. What we do is that we can just click it, and then you can just click like this. Click here, and then click here. Let's do this. And then click here, and right click. And then we'll modify it. Because these are not right positions. We right click, and then in this table, in the location, see where we are, yes? So the X dimension is 10 meter, and the Y dimension is 3 meter, yes? So we modify 3, and Z coordinate is okay. And similarly for this one, we right click for location.
I don't know why, but he's making it seem really easy.
X coordinate is 5 meter, Y coordinate is 3 meter, Z coordinate is okay. And then for this one again, right click, location, X coordinate is 0, Y coordinate is 3. So these are our beams. Now you can define this beam as well here. So again, very, very tentatively, we click here and click here, and then right click on these. So X, if you assume 2 meter, for example here, then X is 3 meter, and Y is again 3 meter. Okay? So, if you want to show more detail, you click on that tick there, and we want to show, for example, the releases. So you can see that all these are pinned. Yeah? Now, we want to define the secondary beams. It's very easy here. You have to quick draw secondary beams here. So, in this span, we have got 2 secondary beams. So we choose first our section, for example, the lighter section for secondary beams. Its pin number of beams are 2. And the direction is, for this one, is in X direction. So we choose X here, and we simply click here. And for the other span, just we change these to Y, and we simply click here. Yeah? So now, just we need another secondary beam here. We can draw it again by hand, or we can make it 1. I'll try it, of course. X, and then here. Yes? So it's all our beams. Now, you need to apply loads. So I just do it for one of these, for example, for this secondary beam. Click it. And then when you click it, you can go to assign frame loads, or you can activate more options here. I don't know why I can't, but if you right click here, then you can activate more options. But anyway, we can do everything in these menus here. So assign frame loads here, and then gravity loads. And then in this gravity load, you need to define both dead load and live load. But because these two are the same, and these two are the same as well, these 4 elements are with same load, so we can select all these 4 together. So we select all these 4, assign frame loads, gravity loads, and dead load for this is 17. Yes. So it's dead load, gravity multipliers. It's in Z direction, and it is minus 17 because it's Z. Positive Z direction is upward, and our load direction is downward. Okay, so it is minus 17. And your units are here, kilonewton per meter. And you do the same for live load or variable load. So assign frame load, gravity. I'm not sure if it says gravity. Let's see.